Hello everybody, welcome to the third and the last part of this blockchain video series. If you have anyhow missed out the previous two parts of this video series, then kindly click the link given in the I button and the description box so that you can never miss out the entire video sequence. Considering the potential of all the crypto projects and the length of the video, the entire video has been divided into three parts. In this video, I will be discussing some crypto projects that have a huge potential in future and can make you million and help you to leave your job and achieve your financial freedom. But before that, if you have not yet subscribed this channel, my suggestion to you would be to subscribe this channel so that you can get more videos like this, and kindly share these videos with your friends and colleagues so that they can be informed. And if you want more videos like this, kindly let me know in the comment box. So without wasting your time and the time of mine, let's begin. The first cryptocurrency project that is going to change the world is definitely not the Bitcoin, it is Ethereum. But still, we will start from Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it is the mother of all the modern days cryptocurrencies. This cryptocurrency is based on decentralized blockchain technology and work under proof of work mechanism. And it was made for the purpose of financial transaction out of the traditional banking controls. If you don't know what is proof of work protocol, then kindly click the link appearing in the I button of this video. But the question is, why do we need a separate financial system out of the banking control? And to find out this answer, we need to look back the financial crisis of 2008, where due to excessive greed and risk taken by the banks and wrongly politically motivated socio-economical decisions, many investment and commercial banks got bankrupt and many people lost their jobs and life savings deposited in the banks, because they became the victim of the fractional banking system, where the ownership of the money is secretly transferred to the banks and depositors' property becomes the bank's own property that is used by the banks either in various risky or less risky projects without any depositor's confirmation. If you want to know what is the fractional banking system, then click the I button above in the video. Not only that, the excessive money supply by the central banks and the sovereign governments creates hyperinflation situation in the economy. And this hyperinflation situation kills the savings of people like you and me. And for that reason, people like you and me are paying more money every year for same amounts of goods and services than the previous years. Bitcoin stops this centralized monopoly, as unlike out-of-control money printing, the total supply of the number of total Bitcoin is just 21 million. This is the reason why the price of Bitcoin is likely to get exploded in the future due to skyrocketing demand and limited supply. Bitcoin was first invented for the purpose to meet the financial transactions out of the control of the traditional banking system and central authorities. But people are so bullish on it that they are comparing it with the digital gold and treating it as the new reserve currency. I believe that as the Bitcoin blockchain completes 3 to 7 transactions per second and takes 10 minutes to mine a new block, most of the people will not be buying it for transaction purposes, but restoring it to secure their future uncertainties like gold. It is likely going to be considered as the next gold, and sometimes it is much better than gold in terms of rarity, as some gold can be mined if resources and operational hours of mining machines are increased. But in case of Bitcoins, if more people join the Bitcoin mining business, then the mining rewards will start declining. That means higher the demand, lesser the supply will be. And that is making this digital asset more precious year after year. And for that reason, some renowned investors believe that the price of Bitcoin will reach more than $5 lakhs within a couple of years. And some people believe that it is a perfect hedge against the inflation. Number 2, Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin, it is basically a smart contract protocol that is still now works under the proof of work protocol. In the crypto world, it is generally considered as the second most valuable cryptocurrency. It is also a decentralized blockchain protocol that provides the facilities to build decentralized applications, dApps, on its blockchain. It's a new age of internet where the smart contracts are created. To know what is the smart contract, kindly click the I button appearing above the video. Ethereum is basically a decentralized smart contract computer network, and the currency of Ethereum network is called Ether. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum doesn't have any supply capping, but still it can be considered as digital silver considering its commercial usages. When Bitcoin will be either out of supply or its price will be out of control and will be increasing like crazy, people may be more passionate to have its close substitute Ethereum in their crypto portfolios. Then it can be treated as the digital silver that can be used as next alternative of Bitcoin. Generally, the current transaction speed of Ethereum is 15 per second. Though it is better than Bitcoin, but still not sufficient enough to be used as the currency for the entire world. And to solve these problems, the second version of Ethereum, Ethereum 2.0, is being introduced. Ethereum 2.0 might be a game changer for the existing Ethereum network, as it will be working under the proof of stake protocol, and transaction speed of Ethereum 2.0 will be increased up to 1 lakh transactions per second. But still, I believe that the proof of stake mechanism will encourage people to stock more Ethereum every year than before, and they would not prefer to spend it for their daily transactions. Rather, like Bitcoin, it will be the next store of value. Not only that, considering the possibilities of massive usage of Ethereum network in the crypto world and implementation of smart contracts in the real life, I believe that it has all the possibilities to become the next Google. I believe that everyone should accept this change and have some sort of exposure in these two cryptocurrencies that I have already discussed and recommended in my latest financial book, The Secrets of Never-Ending Wealth. At that time, the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum was just around 30,000 USD or around INR 22 lakhs and 1241 USD or around 90,000 INR respectively. If anyone would have bought these two cryptocurrencies at that time based upon the recommendations in the book, then he would have doubled or tripled his entire investments till now. But before going to the third most valuable and important crypto project, if you want to increase your financial knowledge and want to make a portfolio that never get dried up and stay protected from all the market crashes, then buy my book from Amazon. The name of the book is The Secrets of Never-Ending Wealth. The next big thing and the third cryptocurrency is Cardano. It is considered as the third generation smart contract based crypto project that works under the proof of stake mechanism. I refer you to click the I button to understand the proof of stake protocol. It is totally decentralized, and currency of the Cardano blockchain is called ADA or ADA. The maximum supply of ADA is 45 billion. This crypto project solves three most valuable and important crypto issues that most of the cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are facing nowadays. And those are scalability, interoperability, and sustainability. Now let's start with scalability. Cardano uses a special time slot dependent system in its blockchain that is called Ouroboros system. Where in this Ouroboros system, Cardano network selects few nodes to validate new transactions in the blockchain and create new blocks. These nodes are assigned with a specific job to create new blocks within a specific time slot. They are called the slot leaders, and if one node cannot complete its task within the allocated time, then it gets transferred to another slot leader. More the nodes will get attached with Cardano network, more strong and fast the network would be, as assigning options of efficient node will increase with increasing computer nodes. Not only that, recently Cardano network is developing a second layered scalability solution called Hydra that would be able to validate the ADA transaction outside the main Cardano blockchain network by using sharding technique. By opening parallel Hydra heads where all the transactions will be executed primarily inside the hydras before the final ledger gets permanently recorded inside the main blockchain. It is found that around 1000 such second layer pools can be opened inside the Cardano blockchain, and each pool will be able to execute 1000 transactions per second. That means after the implementation of the Hydra network, Cardano will be able to execute up to 10 lakh or 1 million transactions per second. That is huge enough to replace any modern days banking system. If you want to have a separate video on Cardano, then let me know in the comment box. And the second thing is interoperability. In future, there will not be just one single cryptocurrency that can rule the world, as the definition of today's money has changed a lot, and today's money is basically a community-based ecosystem, where each community prefer different crypto ecosystems. So the chances are there that various other cryptocurrencies will stay within us. Cardano has been developed in such a way that it can be used as a bridge among many cryptocurrencies. That means through this Cardano ecosystem, Bitcoin can be converted either into Ethereum or USD or Pound or vice versa. And now the third part that this Cardano ecosystem solves is sustainability. Development of crypto project needs money. Like IPOs in the stock market, crypto projects also use ICO or initial coin offerings to raise funds. And in future, if any crypto project needs more money to further develop its operations but cannot raise the fund, then the entire project development will stop. To solve this problem, Cardano keeps a smaller percentage transaction fees inside the network, and this fund is used to implement new development inside the crypto projects subject to a common community consensus provided to its developers.
Presently, Cardano is trading at around 2.06 USD or INR 153.82.
So considering these three factors, I believe Cardano has the full potential to become the currency of the future.